Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will introduce you to one yatra which is known as train yatra. It is called Jagriti Yatra. So it is a train journey across India. It has been around for many years. So this has been started in 2008, which has been started as a non-profit initiative. Jagriti Yatra is a 15-day, 88,000 kilometer entrepreneurship train journey to inspire you to become entrepreneurs. It has been running since 2008, as I mentioned earlier. So it has impacted 7,500 plus youth in India and 23 countries globally. It focuses on Tier 2 and Tier 3 districts of India, what is termed as Middle India, and it is also creating enterprise ecosystem in Eastern Uttar Pradesh. So Jagriti Yatra has been an innovation which has been running for close to 16 years and has been replicated successfully in four other countries. Today, Yatris are a growing community of entrepreneurs in India and abroad. As you can see here, how this Yatra unfolds. So before getting into that, I would like to show you how it goes. So there is one train that takes 15 days. 500 Yatris are there, 12 role models, 12 destination, 4 mega events. So you see how it goes. So the train journey. This is different cities in India. You can see here. So now Mumbai, Hubli, Bangalore, Madurai, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Brahmapur, Rajgir, Diore, Delhi, Tironiya, Ahmedabad. So this is how that route looks like. Now if you take this year, it is on 16 November till 1st December. So I'll show you how the selection procedure is. So the criterias, abilities, it is based on abilities, not based on mark sheet. To select a candidate, we do not look at exam results, rather we consider abilities, motivation and value of the candidates. So it's a tough selection process. So Jagriti Yatra includes up to 40 exceptional international candidates whose global exposure adds to the richness of the Yatra. So the Yatri composition. So Yatri selected for the Yatra can be either a participant or a facilitator. So for facilitators are experienced professionals over 28 years of age who are keen to join the movement for enterprise-led development. They may be entrepreneurs, aspiring entrepreneurs, or other professionals. A facilitator plays the dual role of a mentor and coordinating during the yatra, and it is assigned a cohort of 6 participants to support the participants to make the most of yatra. They have to manage the cohort throughout the journey as per the yatra mantra. They act as a bridge between participants and organizing team. So if you see the participants are younger candidates about 21 years who want to be the change they want to see and have the potential to become entrepreneurs and change makers. So the selection process, there is a form, main application form that becomes active every year. So to steps to become an athlete, you have to apply here. You have to submit the registration form. You have to activate it from your email account. You can log in to the Jagriti Yatra website using a registered address. You have to pay a processing fee that is 100 as the Jagriti Yatra application processing fee. You can assess application. After successful payment, your application form will become accessible. The application consists of 3 sections: personalities, enterprise involvement, general aptitude. So you have to complete application, submit the application. Then in round 2, you will receive a notification. You can log into Jagriti Yatra website. You can they will conduct a video interview, submit the interview. You have to confirm. Then you can submit a screenshot of email or WhatsApp about your confirmation. In the third round, there is a scholarship opportunity. Selected candidates will receive an email inviting them to apply for a scholarship. Before deciding, you can revise the fee structure on the selection procedure page of the website. So you have to submit for a scholarship application also if you want to opt for scholarship. That is your income proof documents along with a brief statement explaining why you deserve the scholarship, and that is reviewed, and pay the contribution. Log into the portal and proceed to the contribution for Jagriti Yatra as per the provided payment details. So this is the online application form. This is the contributor structure, the scholarship. So if you see, the total Yatra fee includes registration fee of 7,000 and GST. So we'll allocate scholarship based on need and on first come first serve basis, and they have only 450 seats. So this is the Yatra contribution fees to cover the entire trip. So this is a level 1 scholarship, and based on the date this changes. So the maximum I see is around 78,000. So the price will be around this range. So for international candidates, around 2,000 US dollars. The EMI facility is also provided, as you can see here. Now going back to the program detail. So there are 12 destinations, 15 days, 12 role models, 500 yatris, and 4 mega event. So exploration of India and its hinterland is an exciting physical journey. It's accompanied by interactions with 8 role models who they will visit for this entire journey. So who organizes this Jagriti Yatra? It's organized by Jagriti Seva Sansan, which is a non-profit organization that has been torchbearer of enterprise-led development. So this is the Jagriti portal. So this is the itinerary. So 16 November, Mumbai, the train starts. You'll be on train on 17th. Then this is how it goes. Then activities on the train. There is AC chair care sessions. Each role model is studied by 1 to 2 groups and presented the rest of the yatris in specially designed AC chair cars on the train in 30 to 45 minutes sessions. Compartment sessions are there. Mentor sessions are there. Arts and creativity on the train. Then yatras are, every group will have to submit a summary of discussion of the role model visit. You will have various facilities on train. Hygiene is provided, meals are provided, communication facilities are also there. So the key features of the train layout, there is separate male and female accommodation, central conference rooms, specially designed bathing coach, catering on the train is available. So these are the program details. Now if you go into the team, this shows you the team behind it. This is the team behind that. Now if you go to the home page, I'll show you the yatra from previous years. As you can see here, so I see this goes through different cities. So you can see people packing the bag and going. These are events. So this is the train. So they'll go to different cities, participate in various sessions. There will be big events. So everything is well organized. So there is a lot to learn here, and it is not very easy to get into. There are only limited seats. 450 participants can participate. So if you're really interested, you can try that out. Again, this is not a sponsored video. I just saw this information and I was not aware of it. So I'm sharing it with all of you. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.